Good morning. This is the first session of the Modular Arithmetic Masterclass. So, I like to start with some math exercises that because I think that the best way to learn math is solving problems, and I would like to even before you know anything about the concepts I'm going to introduce, I would like you to give a try to the following problems. So, well, so Charlie said it's Sunday today, so it will be Sunday again in 7 days. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
What about he says also that it will be Sunday in 770 days. Well, hold on there one moment. I want to give everybody time to think. So could Nicole or Sophie say if they agree? With
Yeah.
yes?
Yeah.
And what about in 140 days?
Yeah.
Okay, any of you? And what about in
Yeah.
35,035 days? Yeah. And then I don't know how many millions is this, 40, whatever, billions and 70. Okay. Now, Allison said, Allison is talking to Charlie, so it's Sunday still, no? Well, and today happens to be Sunday, so this is great. She says it will be Tuesday in 2 days. And in 72 days, and in 702 days, and in 779 days. And this is 14,777,002 days. Do you agree
Yeah.
with all of those statements? Okay, so why so those numbers are easy to work with. So what do they have in common? So let's say for the first block, one of you tells me what do all these numbers that Charlie mentioned have in common?
They're all divisible by 7.
Yeah, they are multiplied by 7, and you can see that it has 7s or 14, which is a multiple 7, or 35. No? Okay, so Sophie or Nicole, what about the Allison numbers, the numbers that Allison mentioned?
They're all divisible by 7, and then they're all divisible by 7, because that will get you to the next Sunday, and then 2 more days is Tuesday.
Okay, so these numbers, it's not that they are divisible by 7, but when you
When you
subtract
take away the
2,
2. Yeah.
when you subtract 2, you get a multiple 7, or when you divide by 7, you get a remainder of 2. Okay. What about the last question? If today is Sunday, well, and today happens to be Sunday, what day is going to be, I mean, what day of the week is going to be in 15 days?
I
Monday.
think
Monday. Okay, sorry, was that Sophie or Nicole?
Sophie.
Okay. So Nicole, what day will be in 26 days? What day of the week?
It will be Friday.
How did you figure it out?
Because you divide it by 7, and then there's 5 left over.
So you added Sunday plus 5, yeah. What about Take, in 234 days, what day will be?
I think that's Wednesday.
How did you, why did you think that?
Because the remainder of 234 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So then you do Sunday plus 3 days.
Okay. So you get the pattern. And Sophie, what about in 1,000 days? So what's happening here is that you don't care about the quotient, you just care about the remainder, no?
Yeah, so
Well, any of you in 1,000 days?
I think it's Saturday.
Okay. We will see.
Yeah, Saturday.
Okay. Okay, now. Have you ever noticed a pattern with the day of the week of your birthdays? So if today is your birthday, if today were your birthday, what day of the week would be your birthday next year?
Monday.
Monday.
And the year after?
Tuesday.
I think it'll be if
It's
it's
all-
today, then next year it'll be Tuesday because it's a leap year.
Aha. Interesting. So we have two different opinions about this.
Oh yeah, next year is a leap year, isn't it? Tuesday.
Okay. What about this? No, it happens to be autumn. Normally I do the master classes on a Saturday, so but okay, we are in autumn. What season will be in 100 seasons?
I think still autumn.
Yeah.
Why would that be?
Because there's no remainder when you divide 100 by 4.
And you are dividing by 4 because there are 4 seasons, no?
Yes.
Okay. What about this one?
$11 a.m.
Okay. How did you figure it out? Well, 24 hours in a day, 48 hours in 2 days, so you don't care about that 48 hours, so 50 minus 48 is 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay. Now, going back to here, I'm going to do a trick. Okay, so sorry, I will just close my eyes. Well, I guess for you to believe me, I will have to show my video. Okay, so I have my eyes closed. So there are only 3 of you, so I will try the trick with the 3 of you. Okay. So let me start with Sophie. Sophie, in which year were you born?
2009.
2009. Then in which month?
March.
March. Okay. In which day of the month?
11th.
Okay. I think that was a Wednesday. Could you check in a calendar online?
Yeah, it's Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay. Take, in which year were you born? Take? We cannot hear you. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, let's go with Nicole.
11,
Okay, sorry, Take. In which year were you born?
2011.
Okay. Then which month?
Which January
Okay, which date?
10.
Okay, sorry. You said 2011.
Yes.
January, and then which date?
10th.
Okay, I think that was on Monday.
Yes.
Okay. Finally, Nicole, which year were you born?
2009.
9. Which month
April.
and which day?
The 30th.
If I'm not mistaken, that was a Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got it. I had no practice in a while, so at the end of the, well, not this session will be the second one. I'm hoping to do this in 2 hours. So between today and next week, you will learn, well, how to do the trick using a modular arithmetic. I mean, you will need to remember some codes, to memorize some codes, but you will be able to do it.